Okay, so this is a new pool that I'm starting today. I've never walked in this backyard before. So let me just see what we're dealing with here. Looks like an old cleaner motor that probably does not work. Rusted. It's got a switch over here. And this is all, a lot of it's new equipment. And so I just need to check this out. See what we're looking at. See any problems. So actually what I'm going to do before I even look at the pool is I'm going to actually turn it on and we're going to see. Okay, that's not good. Thing just falls right off. So put that up here now. Turn it on. See if we get a prime, see if we see any leaks. I was speaking to this customer and he is out of town a lot, so I told him I'm going to check all the equipment first, making sure everything works right, and once I've done that, then I can see about servicing it. But I want to make sure it primes first, and I don't see any leaks. Sometimes that can be a problem when this is dry and there's no air in it. That could indicate a hole, and pretty much the air goes back towards the skimmer. So there is some air in there, and I'm going to see if that'll get itself out. But I always like doing the test. The test for the O-ring if it's bad, and you can just shut this off over here and see if we see any water shoot out. I didn't see any water shoot out, but all right, so let me just check around, make sure I don't see any leaks on the chlorinator here or anywhere. Still see some bubbles. I'm gonna have to check the O-ring to make sure that that's okay. Usually they'll be dirty, could be a problem. All right, so you're gonna walk with me here and gonna check it out here. And okay, so that's a good thing. We have an enclosure here, and pretty positive that these people are not home, so it's a good thing. But okay, so we have plaster pool, and looks pretty good. I'm gonna have to do some netting and vacuuming and brushing for this account, but I do like to look around. It's basically an inspection without being paid for an inspection. Like looking around. The tiles are pretty dirty, so I'm gonna have to clean those, and so go ahead and check this skimmer, make sure it's working, which I did see a valve off earlier, so I'm gonna have to go check that one real quick and make sure that that's what's going on. So let's walk with me here. And I apologize if this is bouncing around. I do not have a like stabilizer for this camera. I wonder why he had that turned off. That's always a mystery. So some air's coming back because I just turned that on, which is normal if it's been shut off for a while. So, but usually when they have them off, there's a reason, and it's usually not a good reason. So we'll go back and check that real quick. And so we'll see here. Yeah, it's on now. So that's working good. So I don't see any issues right off the bat, but you never know. I may run into something here, but yeah, I'm gonna get this cleaned up and I will come back. I'm also supposed to take a look at this spa right here. With some strong chemicals. He wanted me to add some bromine to it. Yeah, I'll get this cleaned up and then I'll see you back here in just a little bit. Okay, so I just now finished cleaning this pool and adjusting all the chemicals, and actually in this pool there was no free chlorine, there was no stabilizer, and the phosphates were probably 600 or 700. I just put a phosphate treatment in, and as you can tell, I don't know if you can tell right there, but it's already clouding up some. So I did everything, got all the chemicals good, and this one will be good to go as a weekly service. And I'll be back next week. I may do a video again on this, a follow-up of maybe what it looks like with the phosphates dead on the bottom, but I'm not sure, just depending. I am in the process of making other videos, so check out my channel. If you haven't subscribed, check out the other videos, and please subscribe and help my channel grow. And anytime that you comment on a video or have any questions, if you're a residential pool owner and you have a question, anytime that I get one, by the end of the day I'm going to answer it back. So, but once again, I appreciate everybody watching this, and I will see you in the next video.